Thanks for your interest in Indeed Targeted Ads brand. With Indeed Targeted Ads brand, you can tell your unique brand story to a targeted audience to promote your company's mission, culture, and benefits. Use your employer brand to attract and engage millions of job seekers. Let's see how it works. During setup, tell us the type of role and location you would like to target. We then show your brand ads to job seekers with the background you're looking for, based on their location, search behavior, and information on their Indeed resume. Here's what a brand ad looks like in a desktop browser. Notice how it stands out with a rich image, logo, and text. This lets you customize your ad with language and graphics used in your company's existing employer branding initiatives. It also looks great on mobile devices. There are multiple call-to-action options you can use to engage with job seekers when they click your ad. First, you can send job seekers to your media-rich Indeed company page to learn more about working at your company. Job seekers discover your brand through photos, video, and other shared content. You can also give them the option to follow your company without leaving the page. This subscribes the job seeker to weekly email updates whenever you post new jobs. Finally, you can send them a listing of all your open jobs on Indeed. Indeed also provides analytics to monitor the performance of your employer brand on our website. You can track your follower growth, engagement with your company page, and the impact of your brand ads. Indeed Targeted Ads brand lets you target the right job seekers, reach them with a compelling message, and engage with them to continue the conversation. We're continuing to add new roles and locations to help get your brand message out to the right job seekers. Contact your Indeed account executive to learn how to improve your employer branding with Indeed Targeted Ads brand.